Hello, my name is Mark Thompson and I'm the Divisional Commercial Manager for ISG, and I'm responsible for all the commercial aspects of the project. I'd like to talk to you about a Project Nero, which is a project we completed for Prudential, and why this is relevant to the Twitter project. The project value was 14 million. It was a high-end Cat B fit-out which was completed over multiple phases and areas with sectional completions required under the contract. Whilst the former contract was a JCT 2016 management suite, the processes and application of the procedures were very much in line with the two-stage process proposed for Twitter. At the first phase of tender, we were required to provide a fixed price for the prelims based on the initial client cost plan and ISG programme proposals. Once appointed, we fully integrated ourselves into the client team by agreeing bid lists, carrying out detailed design reviews in conjunction with the appointed consultants, drafting scope of works documents to eliminate any scope or interfacing gaps, and producing bill of quantity to allow accurate costings and levelling of tender returns. Our number one focus was ensuring that the client was provided with a completely de-risked tender returns and that all eventualities had been thought out and included in the tender documents. In conjunction with this, we provided a revised cost plan based on our detailed market knowledge and previous experience. Whilst the initial tender information was in the market for pricing, we carried out a value engineering exercise to ensure that the client was getting best value for selected products. From our initial review, and then in conjunction with the supply chain, we were able to provide the client savings of circa £300,000. This was carried out in close alignment with the consultants' designers to ensure the aesthetics and the performance of the scheme were never compromised. All tender returns were provided by sealed bids to Mace PQS, who then distributed these to ISG. Upon receipt, we collated all the tender returns and completed the levelling, carried out post-tender interviews and review of all tender clarifications. It is important to add that whilst we managed and produced most of the documentation, we did this in close collaboration with Mace throughout. Meetings to discuss and review were carried out on a regular basis and at some point multiple times a week to ensure we had a closely aligned and agreed position prior to making recommendations to the client. Before making our final recommendations, we requested a best and final offer from our subcontractors to ensure we were driving best market prices for the client. Once received, we then submitted a detailed tender recommendation report covering not only the financial aspects but an overall summary of the quality of the subcontractors' tender submissions. The real key to the success of Project Nero was our willingness and ability to fully integrate into the project team with a truly collaborative working approach. We took ownership of the management of the cost plan, however this was always in close conjunction with the PQS and the wider consulting team. This teamwork meant that we could not only achieve the client's budget constraints but also not compromise on the quality of the final product. This combination was vital in the delivery of the project and one myself and the team were very, very proud to be involved in. We really hope we can bring these great experiences forward and utilise them in the successful delivery of the Twitter project. Thank you very much. Bye.